بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم magacaygu waa Dr. Mohamed Ali Hussein waxaan ka mid ahay dhaqaatiirta lafaha Soomaaliyeed waxaan aad ugu faraxsanahay maanta in idinku soo dhaweeyo kiisaskii aan aruuriyay intii aan Soomaaliya joogay iyo wixii aan sameeyay wixii ka soo baxay waa bilaabanayna markaa this waxa waaye case kamid cases kan ugu soo booqday isbitaalka waa for 2 years old polyclinic oo yimid wuxuu qabay ankle deformity 7 years waxa uu keenay waxa waaye qarax soo gaaray dan wuxuu sameeyay traditional casting wax loo ama kab Somali this is what we did and this is the patient. This is the next case. This 51 years old male comes to the polyclinic deformed ankle for 1 year due to neglected ankle fractures, no history of chronic disease. And this is the result, post-op X-ray. This is another one. 82 years old male comes to the polyclinic, committed fracture of tibia for 1 year. This patient can with polyclinic again wuxuu jiifay xafdiisu iska jiif for long time 1 year lugta saas u jaban at that time we did for this fixation ankle arthrodesis and this is the result. This is the next one. 63 years old female comes to the polyclinic neglected by malleolar fracture 5 years due to for trauma. Then the patient went to traditional, and this is the deformity. This for the fixation, that's the result. This is the case 5. This for he comes to the emergency department with qarah. Then the patient went to X-fix, then ankle arthrodesis. This 28 years old male comes to emergency department with open fracture. This is the X-fix, and this is the ankle arthrodesis. This 20 years old male comes to open fracture after 6 months. This is the result. Thanks.